أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد، رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sisters. How are you all? Alhamdulillah. Am I audible? Yes, okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, okay, inshallah. Today we are in the sixth lesson. Okay, we are in the sixth lesson. Alhamdulillah. Okay, as usual, we will look the title first, then we will see the what is content in the lesson. Okay. Ad-darsu sadis. Okay, when you read this number, you can feel that so many seen sound, right? So many seen. Su, is, sa, this. You see? Is sound. Okay. So you have to be very careful when you pronounce all this. Okay. Ad-dar. Ad-darsu sadis. Every time I'm saying this ra should be heavy. Okay. Ad-dar. Ad-darsu sadis. Next, the title of the lesson. تدريبات على الحركات والتنوين. Okay, when we say tadribatun, don't say tadri. Okay, don't say tadri. This dal has qalqala. Okay, so you must pronounce with qalqala. Tad, tad, tad. You have to pronounce tad. Tadribatun. تدريبات على الحركات والتنوين. It means that تدريبات. Okay, تدريبات mean exercises. Okay, exercise. Exercise on what?
harakat and wa tanween. With the harakat and wa tanween. All the exercises what we learn from the lesson 4 and lesson 5. I told you we learn rawabit, right? In the fourth lesson, we learn 3 rawabit. What are they? Fatha, kasrah, dhamma sound. Okay? Sounds. Then the same like that, we learn in the lesson 5, fathatain, kasratain, dhammatain. So we learn so far 6 rawabit. That means 6 sounds, Arabic sounds. Okay? So all these sounds here it came in one lesson as a exercise. Okay, exercise for you all. If you didn't practice properly the lesson 4 and 5, this is the good chance for you to practice this one. Okay, so practice well, nicely, and concentrate what I'm explaining. You have to, it is must to listen. If you don't join in the main class, it is must to listen my recordings. It is very important. I'm explaining very deep in detail, so you have to listen to the recording, then only you have to practice. Okay, there is so many things I'm explaining. Some people, they're not even listening, they're just going to the practical class and reading with the teachers. They don't even know how they have to read and how to pronounce and what is in it, how to do the mouth, the movement and everything. Some of them, they don't even realize, and they don't know anything. They just joining in the practical class without anything. So very important, this main class. Okay, so again once more, let me read it. Read with me. الدرس السادس تدريبات على الحركات والتنوين. When you say على الحركات, ha, you have to pronounce clearly, and even this ain, not alal. Okay, not a, that is hamza sound. A. From the middle throat, the sound should come from the middle throat. Okay, على الحركات, ha, ra should be heavy. Okay, ra should be heavy. It should be heavy. You have to pronounce heaviness, with the heaviness. Okay, alal, okay, alal harakati wa tanween, not tanween. Okay, this noon you must give little more time. If you rush here, you will give qalqala. Okay, so you must give little more time in the noon here. What tanween, and don't pause it. Because of you giving more time, don't pause it also. Okay, what tanween. الدرس السادس تدريبات على الحركات والتنوين. This is the way you should pronounce. Okay, the next is the word. You see in this one, how we will read this one with the spelling. Okay, with the hijab. We have to pronounce first. You see, I will pronounce first, then I will explain in detail. Okay. Hamza fatha, ba fatha ba, aba, dal kasratain, sorry, dal fathatain, dan, abadan. What did I do? At the beginning, in the first, I read the letter. I read the name of the letter. Then I read the sound of the letter, sound of the haraka. Okay, fatha. Then I read the sound. How? Hamza fatha a, hamza fatha a. Okay, This is the way. Then the second letter, ba, fatha, ba. Then after I read the second letter, you have to join the first letter and the second letter. Aba. Okay. Then you must read the third letter, dal, fathatain, dan. Abadan. After you spell the third letter, you must read together, all of them together. Abadan. Okay, this is the way you should spell, you should do the hijjah. Okay, so and here how you pronounce dal fatha, dal, how you pronounce in the first lesson, the same way you must give that long timing. Okay, ba, dal. Okay, you see, ba, dal. So in the first lesson, how you give the ba timing, how you give the dal timing, the same way you have to read here also. After you read give the haraka, the sound, it should be according to the haraka. Okay, it don't give ba, don't elongate it here. After you give the fatha. Okay, you see here, dal fathatain dan. Here you don't pronounce dal fathatain dan, not dal. Okay, dal fathatain dan. This is the way you should pronounce. You see some more examples. Hamza fatha'a, ha fathaha, aha, dal dhammatain dun, ahadun, hamza fatha'a, dal kasradhi, adi. Here you don't say dal kasradhi, the, don't elongate it like that. Okay, you mustn't elongate after you give the haraka. Dal kasradhi, the, that's it. Okay, don't read the like that. Adi, not adi. Okay, adi. Noon fathana, adina. Hamza fatha'a, mim fathama, ama, ra fathara, amara. You see, amara, all equal timing, all fatha, even the kasra, dhamma, all should be equal. This is short vowel, so all should be equal timing. Don't give more for some of the letters and less for the other letter, like that. Don't give like that. Don't read amara, amara. Don't read like that. Okay, all should be equal. Amara. Okay. You see this one, Hamza fatha'a, a should be tarqiq. Okay, it should be light. Kha fatha kha, it should be tafkhim. Kha should be tafkhim, then the dal should be tarqiq, light. Dal fatha. In this one you have to be very careful. It's coming between the light letters. This tafkhim letter, heavy letter is coming between light letters. So you have to be very careful. Don't make this hamza heavy because of this letter heavy. Not aha, aha. That is strong sound. Okay. Sorry. Kha. Kha should be heavy. Light. Okay. Kha. Kha. Akhadha. Okay. Hamza fatha'a. Kha fatha kha. Akha. Dal fathadha. Akhadha. Okay. Then next is this word. In this word, can you see anything different? So far, what we learned. Did you see anything different in this word? Circle on alif. Yes, mashallah. Okay. What does that mean? Anyone knows what is the name of that circle? What is the name of this circle? Mustaqil, mashallah. Some of them knows. Okay, not read when continuing. Mashallah, barakallah feek. Okay. So some people knows like this. So some of them, they don't know. Who don't know? No problem. You can even say if you don't know. Who else don't know about this circle? Okay. Who else? Okay, mashallah. There is some people, they don't know. Some of them, mashallah, you knows. Okay. So this circle this circle, oval shape. Okay. It means this name is called Sifrul Mustatil. Okay. Sifrul Mustatil. This oval shape. Can you see this one? This is called Sifrul Mustatil. Okay. There is a other circle like Arabic 5, number 5 shape. Can you see Arabic? Arabic number 5 shape is like this, right? So this circle is called Sifrul Mustadir. Okay. Don't change the name of these two. Okay. This is the oval shape is called Sifrul Mustatil, and this circle is called Sifrul Mustadir. Okay. This circle, what we're going to do with this circle, okay, this circle, Sifrul Mustatil, in the Quran, there is only in 7 words. Okay, in the Quran, only in 7 words. You can see here, you see this oval shape. This Sifrul Mustatil, oval shape in the Quran, there is only in 7 words. Okay. Sifrul Mustadir, this circle, you can see lot of in the Quran. Lot of in the Quran, you can see everywhere. Okay. This Sifrul Mustadir. Okay. You see like this circle, you can see lot of in the Quran. This one, if you find anywhere in the Quran, you're not going to read it. No need to worry about it. You can just read continuous or waqf or waslan. If you're stopping or continuation. In anywhere, you no need to think about this Sifrul Mustadir. You can just read and go. Okay, you no need to pronounce this alif. Okay. If there is Sifrul Mustatil, this is coming in only in 7 words, right? So that's why this Sifrul Mustatil is called Alifatus Sab'a. Okay, Sab'a means 7, right? It is coming in the 7 words. That's why this alif is called Alifatus Sab'a. Okay, Sifrul Mustatil. This one in the Quran, in 7 words. In 7 words is coming. Okay. You see here. فَقَالَ أَنَا رَبُّكُمُ الْأَعْلَى. So here we will not read, we will not pronounce when we continue. If we are stopping here, فَقَالَ أَنَا, we will elongate it because of the alif. Okay, we will pronounce it. Here also the same. لَكِنَّهُ اللَّهُ. If we are continuing, we will read this. We will not read this one. Okay. If we stop here, we will read that one. Okay, the same way all this alif. all these 7 alif, we will not read. If we are continuing, if we are stopping, we will pronounce that alif. Okay, now is clear? Sifrul Mustatil, are you clear with it? Yes, Alhamdulillah. So in the Qaidah, only one word is there so far we found here. Okay, in the 6th lesson, it is coming like this. So in the Qaidah, from lesson 1 to lesson 16, we are assuming that we are reading like a continuation. So because of that, in this one, we will not pronounce this alif. Okay. So how we will read this word? Hamza fatha'a, Noon fathana, Ana. That's it. Okay. So we will not pronounce this alif. Okay. Next word is this one. Here also the same thing. This heavy letter is coming between the light letter. So you have to be very careful. In the Mus'haf, in the Quran, so many people doing this mistake. Okay, that's why I am emphasizing again and again this. Okay, if you practice properly in the Qaidah, you will not do the mistake in the Quran. Okay, so practice very well in the Qaidah and take more effect, and you practice more and more in the Qaidah. When you go to the Quran, it will be very easy for you. You will not do this mistake. Okay, so practice well this one. Ba fatha ba. Ba should be light. Okay. Kha kasra khi. Bakhi. Lam fatha la. Bakhila. Okay, not bakhila, ba, or bakhila, la. Don't read like heavy sound, these light letters. Okay, because of this heaviness. These 2 letters are light and this one is heavy. Okay, bakhila. Okay, let me see who's going to read. Okay, Sister Shazia.
Yes, Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Ba fatha ba, ra fatha ra, bara, ra fatha ra, barara, ta kasratin tin, bararatin.
MashaAllah. Barakallah feek, dear. Very good. Okay, in this one also, you see, ba is light. This both ra is heavy. Okay, this both ra is heavy. And this ta is light. Okay, bararatin. This is the way you should pronounce. Ja'ala, jama'a, hasada, hashara. Okay, you see here, ra is heavy. Ha fathaha, shin fathasha, hasha, ra fathara, hashara. Kha fathaha, shin kasrashi, khashi, ya fathaya, khashiya, khuliqa, ذكر, رفع, را فتحة را، قاف فتحة قا، رقى، با فتحة با، رقبة، تا كسرتين تن، رقبة. This is the way you should pronounce. Even in this one, you see how is coming here. The light letter coming between the heavy letters. Can you see now? It is opposite of previous which we saw. You see here, kha, kha fatha kha, lam fatha la, khala. Okay, don't make this lam heavy because of both side is heavy. Qa fatha qa, khalaqa, khalaqa, khalaqa. Can you see? You should pronounce like that. Let me see who's going to read. Okay, Johara Begum. Johara Begum.
Assalamu alaikum, Ustadha.
Yes, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, dear. Can you read?
Yes. Kha fatha kha, lam fatha la, khala, qaf fatha qa, khalaqa.
MashaAllah. Barakallah fiqh. Final. It's very nice. When you pronounce the fatha, not fataha. Okay?
Fatha. Okay.
Fatha. Even in the fatha, when you pronounce that ha in the fatha,
Okay.
ha you should pronounce with the air. Okay?
Yeah.
That air is not coming properly in your fatha. Okay?
Okay, inshallah.
So you must be practice that fatha very well, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, Suhaila. Suhaila.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, dear. Can you read this one?
Okay. Sin fatha sa, fa fatha fa, safa, ra fatha ra, safara, ta kisratin tin, safaratin.
MashaAllah. Barakallah fiqh, dear. Your makhraj is very good. When you pronounce the fa, okay, fa, when you pronounce from the beginning itself, that air will come. Fa, can you pronounce again?
Fa, fa.
Yeah, now is correct. Earlier when you pronounce, that air was not there. Okay, properly,
Okay.
if you pronounce properly from the makhraj, that air will come nicely. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
practice that one. Safaratin,
Okay.
sururun, suhufan, wasaqan, tabaqin, tabaqan. طا فتح طا ضمة واو فتحتين ون طون عبس عدل okay علق عمد عنبا. Okay, when you pronounce these words, okay, let me see who's going to read. Okay, Suhaila. No one else. Every time the same people who's raising the hands, those are the ones they're reading every time. What about others? Please raise your hands. Okay, Suhaila.
Yes, sir.
Can you read this word? This word.
Okay. Ain fatha, mim fatha ma, ama, da kisratin din, amadin.
Is this da or dal?
Dal kisratin din, amadin.
Yes, mashallah. Your ain makhraj is very good. You know, some other people, what they do, when they're reading, they will pronounce like a hamza sound. They will pronounce at the beginning, ain fatha, a. They say not okay, ah from your middle throat. Okay, amadin. Okay, even here this one, inaban, they read inaban, not e. Okay, this is e from your middle throat. Inaban. Okay, this is the way you must pronounce the ain. Ghabaratun, fa'ala, qataratun, qutila, qadara. Qaf dhamma, ra kasrari, quri, hamza fatha'a, quri'a. This ra is light or heavy, tafkhim or tarqiq. MashaAllah, tarqiq, Shabana. Yes, MashaAllah. This ra is light. Okay, don't make it heavy. Qasamun, kabadin, kutubun, kasaba. Okay, kaf fathaka, sin fathasa, kasa, ba fathaba, kasaba. Okay, this is the way you must pronounce. So some people they do kasabe, be, not be. Okay, not kese. Don't do taqlil in the letters. You must pronounce straight. Ka fatha ka. Okay, not k or k. Don't do like that. Okay. Kasaba, kafara. Kaf dhammaku, fa dhammafu, kufu, waw fathatain one, kufuwan. In the Suratul Ikhlas, so many people what they do, they read kufwan, they're giving the sakin for the fa. That is wrong. This is kufu. Dhamma is here. So you must say kufu. Okay. Kufuwan. Okay. One. When you pronounce the one, you must point out your lips, circle your lips, and point out your lips. Okay. Not only circle, not touching only the makhraj. You have to point out. Wa. Okay. One. Kufuwan, lubadan, lumazatin, lahabin, masadin, nun fathana, kha kasrahi, nakhi, ra fathara, nakhira, ta fathatin tan, nakhiratan, wajada. Wasaqa, waqaba, walada, wahaba. Ha dhammahu, mim fathama, huma, za fathaza, humaza, ta kasratin tin, humazatin. Ha dhammahu, dal fathatin dan, hudan. So alhamdulillah, we finished the 6th lesson. If anyone have the question, you can ask now. You can open your mic and talk. And very important, sisters, practice well. However, I explain and explain and explain in hours, it's not going to work. Okay, unless if you practice. The very important, the practice. Okay, in the Qaidah. Anyone have questions? Everything is clear? Alhamdulillah. Okay, then we will finish the class today, and the next week we will have the 7th lesson, and the last 2 weeks, December last 2 weeks, we will have holidays. So because of everyone is traveling and you know, the school's holidays, the children are at home, so last 2 weeks we will have holidays. And if anyone didn't finish your lessons, if teacher have in your subgroup, teachers have any classes, so you can join and finish your, which you miss the class. Okay, if you miss any classes, you can finish in that 2 weeks and complete everything up to lesson number 7. So inshallah, January 2nd, sorry, in the January 1st week, we will have other class. Okay, next week we will have class, the 7th lesson. Okay, after the 2 weeks, we will have holiday, inshallah. Okay, subhanak